Hello guys, in this video we will see how to configure Facebook as an authentication system in our custom application. So I have a custom application. This is my custom application, so whenever I try to access it will ask me for login. It is redirecting me to the identity server, which is a login system in my application. So basically, I want to have something like this. If I want users come here like and they can authenticate themselves using their Facebook account. So users will click on this and they will redirect it to the Facebook login page and they will authenticate themselves. And after they authenticate themselves, they will come to my application. So we will see how to do this. For this, we have to create a first. We have to create a app in Facebook. You have to come to this site developers.facebook.com, and you will see the screen something like this. And you have to come here and authenticate yourself first. Okay, now I'm logged in into the system, the Facebook, and I will click on this my apps, and I have already two apps created here. I will create a new app from scratch. So that we can see how to do it. Click on this create app, and you have to give some display name for your application. Let us give it some name, demo app. Click on this. Okay, click on submit. Okay, your application has been created. Now the second thing is like we want to create this application for Facebook authentication. Like we want users to authenticate users using Facebook. So we will come to the here and this Facebook login section, and we will click on the setup. Here we need to choose like which type of application we have. I have this is the web application, so I will come to this web section, click on this, and here is some basic things like you can see. You can give some xp93.local, save and continue. We have different sections here. You can read it and you can learn more about it. There are different sections. So the next thing will be like you come to the settings section in the basic part. In the basic, you will see your app ID is here, and your app secret. Like when you click on the show button, it will show the secret. This is the ID. This is the secret. Uh, all the things are okay here. Now come to this Facebook login section. Expand it and click on settings. The most important part is here like you have to provide your redirect URL. You have to provide, it's a must part. Like without it your application will not know, like Facebook will not know like where to redirect after authentication. So I will provide my login URL. This part is my login URL, and this is the redirect URL. Like I have different application actually, xp93.local. This is the authentication identity server for that. So I will copy this part and I will paste it here. we have to postfix, like we have to append something sign in Facebook here, and click on this save change. Okay, this part is done, and the next thing is like if we want role-based authentication, we have to add users, we have to add roles here. I expand this section roles, we will see roles and test users. In the roles section, you will see like Facebook provides us a different kind of roles, administrators and developers, testers and analytics users. So we can add like a developer here. I can add a developer here. I have to provide the name. Uh, it should be the valid Facebook user, and click on submit. And this is pending, like the notification will go to this user, and this user will like approve this thing, and then after that it will come here, we can use it. Similarly, we can add testers, we can add this analytics users. So these are four types of roles here. We can add users here, test users here. In case we don't have multiple Facebook accounts, what we can do, we can click on this add button here, and it will give us four test users. Up to four test users we can create. Click on create test users. You can see these four test users are created for me. I can use these users for testing purpose. There are many more things, like you can go through this, but these are the basic things which we have seen in this video. One more thing I want to show you people here, like if I go to this my apps, and I will see like all my apps will be registered here, like listed here. So I just created this app. If I want to remove this app, I can go here and I can click on this remove app icon. uh, this was all about this video. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos.